Elliot Page, born Ellen Page, was born on 21st of February in 1987. Today is celebrating his birthday of 47 years old. He is a Canadian actor who has received various accolades including nomination for Academy Award, 2 BAFTA Awards, and the Primetime Emmy Award. While presenting as a female, Page came to recognition for his role in television franchise Pit Pony, released from 1997 to 2000, for which he was nominated for a Young Artist Award, and for his recurring role in Track Park Boys, released in 2002, and The Legacies, released in 2004. He received critical acclaim from portraying the title role, a pregnant teenager in John Lennon film Juno, released in 2007, and earned the nomination for Academy Award, 2 BAFTA Award, and Golden Globe Award, and Screen Actor Guild Award. At the age of 20, he made him fourth youngest nominee for the Academy Best Actress at the time. Some of movies he acted in are The Wet Season and Madison Bridge, is in 2002, Touch and Go and Love That Boy, is in 2003, Hard Candy and Month to Month, is in 2005, X-Men, is in 2006, An American Crime, Juno, The Trace Fragment, and The Stone Angel, is in 2007, Smart People, is in 2008, Vanishing of the Bees and Whip It, is in 2008, Peacock and Inception, is in 2010, X-Men Day of Future Past, is in 2014, Into the Forest, Tarua Window Horse, My Life as Zuchi, is in 2016, My Day of Mercy, The Cure Fares, is in 2017, There is Something in the Water, is in 2019, and his recent movies are Into My Name, is in 2022, Back Spot and Close to You, is in 2023. Some of television shows he appeared in are Pit Pony, Trailer Park Boy, Homeless So Hard, Ghost Cat, I Downloaded the Ghost, Genesis, Saturday Night Live, The Simpsons, and the recent are Tear of the City in 2019, Ark, which is still in realization, The Umbrella Academy from 2019 till today. Wishing happy birthday to Elliot Page. Thank you for watching.